This is a code challenge for black. So black's only chance is to make something happen here on the corner. If black bends here, then this will be a rectangular 6 shape. It's a living shape for white. So the technique here is to play here at the 2-1 point. If white connects, then white will die. If white plays here, then we have a code. And what happens now is that black can connect here. This is considered a local code threat because white obviously cannot play at number 6. So white will try to make this into a living shape, and black will keep capturing. And white does not have a local code threat. Of course, you can count this one. But the bottom line is that white cannot connect, and white playing here doesn't really work because black can just keep capturing, and white will still have to capture back and win this code. So it's going to be a one-step code for black either way. A stronger move for white would be to stand down here. Now it's very tempting for black to cut, but because white is not short on liberties, cutting here won't work. This way black will just all die. So that's why black must play at number 3. This is aiming for the cut. This is going to be a step back, and it's a weakness in white's shape. So what should white do now? If white connects here, black can cut, and this way white will be dead. So there are 2 options for white. One is to throw in here and start this code. Now obviously black cannot connect. This way black will be captured. So black will have to play through the code. White captures first, and black does not have any local code threats. Or white can play here. What happens now is that black cannot connect. Otherwise this will be a seki. It's going to be a straight 4 either way, so it's a seki neutral life shape. White is alive. So black must play here on the outside, forcing white to connect here. And now black throws in. So this is very similar to the previous code we saw, and white captures first. Once again, black does not have a local code threat. So these are all the code variations in this pattern. Relatively straightforward and simple, as long as you find number 1 here. It's also a very important technique because you see this type of pattern in games all the time. So remember, this is a very good technique for starting a code, and depending on the circumstances, in this pattern, number 3 works. In some other circumstances, if you have one more black stone here at number 3, you can start this code because number 7 will be a Atari. But without number 3 in this pattern, black will have to play right here instead. Hope that made sense, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.